In this tutorial, I will be teaching you how to put your own image in Greatblanks magic mirror. As you can see here, when we turn it off, it's a mirror, and when we turn it on, it can very well be your favorite photo. Alright guys, let's get started and let me show you how to do this in this tutorial. Greatblanks has 3 separate magic mirrors. We have the flower, the circle, and the heart. All you're going to need for this project is AA batteries and your favorite picture printed out on photo paper. You're going to use the back plate that comes with the magic mirror as your template to help you cut out the photo that you want to put inside your magic mirror. As you can see, for an example, we put this back template on to the photo paper. What we'll eventually do is we'll cut out the actual photo after we size it. Watch here as we lay the actual back plate of the magic mirror onto the photo. And what we're doing now is we're going to use a pen and we're going to go around the photo, and that way we'll be able to cut out the part in which we know for sure that we're going to use. It's almost like we're measuring it. So please stick with us. I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this part as we go ahead and start the cutting process. Alright, so now we are done with the cutting process, and as you can see, it fits perfectly on the magic mirror backplate. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to insert the picture inside the back part of the magic mirror, and we're going to be taping the magic mirror backplate to the actual picture. So let's go ahead and see how this looks. So here you see how we taped the picture showing on the front end of the magic mirror, and you can see how we did the tape to make it come inside of the back plate, the back part of the magic mirror. And right now, as you can see, that we cut off the leftover tape so it won't be coming through the back plate of the magic mirror. Now once we put the back plate on, we'll then show you how it looks once we turn the light on. Alright, so this is how it looks and when it's just a mirror, and we're going to go ahead and turn it on for you. This is how it looks when it's turned on. Now I do want you to know that this can be used with just only a battery, and it also can be used plugged in the wall. So you can see the cord in the back. So we actually took that cord off and we had put in the AA batteries. Then the actual mirror will be running without the cord if we was to turn it on. Alright guys, so that's it for the tutorial. Thanks for watching, and if you're interested in buying this magic mirror, then go ahead and check out greatblanks.com.